Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself will visit Karbi and Jaiñtia Hills area.
Kumsibenta Jong Ikran Penbet Put Kabar Pedeng ke Meghalaya bag Assam ki Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya bag Assam katau Conrad Sangma bu Himanta Biswasarma kin Leit ben Jurip ki Jaka Khappud ki badan West Jaiñtia Hills Meghalaya bar Karbi Anglong Assam hakitayo khadu jung mana jeliu khnang badan kejung syania Lepente bikani du Menteri Rangba Kejala Assam Himanta Biswasarma karbu udang keren sikla patai kubor hadin kejing gelang belaya keren halor kimat Khappud na bentagi hendriu teli Jaka ki badan kejing kaja Lepelong yang jingilang hendak kesingi ke arah Sautudek Jembang Hakana para Guwahati.
From today, the regional committees of both the state will start meeting, start visiting the other 6 sites or other 6 areas where difference still exists. In the month of June, basically in the last part of June, Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself will visit Karbi and Jaiñtia Hills area where presently some unrest is going on as a confidence building measure so that the people in both sides feel confident and they will be assured that both the state will resolve the differences, resolve the dispute with a spirit of the long existed friendship between the people of Meghalaya and Assam.